Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Vienna Plus espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced two of the hoses that are on the thermal block that are located really inside the machine. We had to disassemble the entire top of the machine, as well as half of the front panels to get in there into the thermal blocks. But we were able to replace those hoses, making sure that they were not leaking. We ran a lot of coffee to this machine as well. So it didn't have any leaks. So starting with one espresso, we're gonna test it out. As you can see, grinding perfectly fine. We're now in the medium settings. We can increase the grind or decrease the grind as well as increase or decrease the volume of how much water we want on our coffee. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Perfect. Working perfectly fine. Now let's test the steamer. Okay, now the machine is ready. We have today, so I'm not able to see the steam coming out of the machine that great. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the one, excellent temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Saeco Vienna Plus working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.